Giants269 doing a box break of Bowman Platinum. Okay, let's go.
Oh, dude.
What does that say?
I don't know. Bonus certified autograph.
They don't tell you who though, huh?
No. Online redemption.
Wow.
Check that out.
I'll redeem it for you and I'll let you know. Huh?
First pack. Checklist. Ryan Zimmerman, Mike Leake, Peter O'Brien, Brett Monahan, and Chapman.
What's the white card in the back?
The white card is just checklist.
Oh. Why is that one card so thick?
Martin Prado, Torrey Hunter, Andrew something, and Matt Barnes.
Okay, no hits yet.
No hits yet.
Still waiting for 3 hits. 3 hits per box.
Something inside, thicker. Billy Butler, Manny Ramirez.
Redemption. Jason Hayward, redemption. A green refractor, relic patch. I think that's a good sign, right?
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Oh.
Good. 2 hits already, dude.
Oh. I wanna hurt you.
Jason Hayward. Kevin Yoelquist, Jose Reyes, Mike Trout.
I don't think you should be done.
Jackie Bradley, Kyle Gibson. Jason Hayward.
It's a green refractor. I don't know. That must mean something. Oh. Luckily, it wasn't the real Jason Hayward, huh? Just a redemption card.
Kano, Starling Castro, Joe Mauer, Scott. I don't know those guys. This is Castro. Another thick pack, T. This is thick.
This is a patch too.
Yeah, there's another.
It's not just an autograph, is it? Oh shoot, here it is. Auto.
Oh, auto patch, dude.
Jersey. Nelson Cruz. Yeah, that's a patch. 2 color. Yeah. That's your 3 hits. You're done.
No. The one on top was just a topper, right?
No.
That was a hit?
That's a hit.
I got 4 hits though. Gordon Beckham, Ichiro, Jose Reyes, Donovan Tate. There you go, T. Greg Jackson.
How many packs are this thing? You need to move it along. Nope. You're pretty much. How much was this box? 90?
90 bucks.
I think the Hayward with the patch is already over.
Hunter Wilson.
You got your MOJO back?
I think I got it back, T. Kyle Drabeck.
Dude, there's a lot of packs in here. How many packs are in this thing?
20?
I don't know. Doesn't say.
Strasburg.
Oh, can I have that one?
Dan Heron gold card.
Can I have the Strasburg?
No.
Come on.
No.
So you're one cheap ass guy, dude. Dan Heron gold. Is that numbered? Yeah, to $5.99. Too bad I didn't get the Strasburg gold.
Who says I didn't? This one's thick. Who says I didn't? Who says I didn't?
Is that another hit?
Yeah, it's
looks
another
like
hit.
It's a refractor too.
Mike Leake.
Who is it?
Brad Miller.
Don't know.
Don't know him either. 740. Brian Johnson.
Those must be prospects. You still do 1 relic auto, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, that is, you got the Jason Hayward. That's the relic auto. Because that's a patch.
Yeah, the patch auto, right?
So that's it. There's no more hits.
This is thick.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you got another hit. I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. Hey, dude. I can't. How do you get
5 hits. I've gotten 5 hits so far, dog. And I still got packs.
I can't believe it.
I still got
Can I
packs,
have
dog.
one though?
No.
You don't need. Who needs 2 Jason Haywards?
I'm gonna be like that guy. I got 5 Jason Haywards.
can't believe it. Oh, dude, I'm done. I'm kind of mad right now. Dude, that's some. I told you your luck will come back, and it came back in a big way.
It did today, dude. Those Jason Haywards are both the same, right? T?
Huh?
They're both the same, right?
No, one's a green refractor, and this is just a regular refractor. So you got two different ones.
Pablo Sandoval, Bertolowski, Brad Miller.
So you got two different Jason Haywards.
Oh, I got another hit in here.
Do you really?
Yeah.
No, that's not a hit.
Buster Posey.
Oh, let me have the Buster. Green refractor. Brett Jackson, that's not. Nah.
Buster's yours.
It's about time.
Last 4 packs. Grant Green.
Nothing. Next. Those are all thin, huh? That means there's nothing. Dude, how you get two Jason Haywards in one? That's like a lucky box.
That's a lucky box. Well, we don't even know what the other autograph is.
I'll find out for you tonight.
Jimmy Rollins, numbered.
Okay?
No. It's the last pack. Here it is. Last lucky pack, guys. Steven Strasburg autograph gold card. Mike Stanton, Tommy Hansen. That's it.
Alright, now to celebrate the Jason Hayward, stop touching the cards. Put your hands up. You two guys, this is a crotch shot. Crotch shot. Okay. Giants 269, I'm out.